Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video we're installing CCTV. So yeah, let's go. So today the plan is to take these crappy Swan cameras down and put a 1080p system, but the customer wants to put the old cameras somewhere else and use them still, so I'm going to do that for him. And yeah, so let's take that down and get on with it. The old camera down, the first one. It's that model of camera. It's 720p, so the new system's going to be 1080, so it's going to be a lot better than this. So, yeah. So we've got the tools, we've got the cameras and the cable. I've been screw fixed to get some drill bits and stuff. Copex to tee into the box, the back box, and then yeah, connectors and stuff. There we go, the camera is, that's where the old cable was. So I basically just put some Copex into the bracket. And then you've got this RJ59, which is going to get terminated now, so yeah, all this can get pushed back into the loft, just in for future use, and then yeah. Cable's done, base on, camera next. They're getting taped up, by the way, they're not going to be like that, so yeah, let's get it on. There we go, this can come off now. This one.